We're doing a salad with carrots, apples, and beets. It's fresh, it's great tasting, simple, and it's delicious. So the first thing we need to do is we're gonna make our sauce, kind of like a little vinaigrette for the salad. We're gonna take a couple cloves of garlic, mash them up. Right? This will remove the garlic from the skin, right? And you can just gently chop it up. Now we need the juice of 2 oranges. If you don't have fresh oranges, you can just use a half a cup of orange juice. You can use a juicer or you can just use your hand. Now we're gonna add in the juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. So you're probably gonna put in about a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper and about the same amount of salt. And again, we like to use sea salt. We have a 1/4 cup of olive oil, which we're gonna slowly pour into the juice. We're gonna put this aside and let it sit. So we want 2 Granny Smith apples, but we want to peel and then core the apple. So we're gonna cut the apples. You can core it or simply just cut around the core because we're gonna end up grating these. We have 3 carrots. I just happen to have some purple and white carrots. You don't have to do that. Orange carrots are perfectly fine. We're gonna cut off the tops and the bottom, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna peel the carrot. I have a fresh beet for this salad, but if you can't find a fresh beet, don't worry about it. It's perfectly fine. You can use pickled beets. So we're gonna shred all the vegetables. Now it is easier if you have a food processor, but if you don't, an old-fashioned box grater works just fine. We're gonna just take all of our ingredients, put them into the vinaigrette, mix it up, and then we're ready to go. The beet's gonna turn everything red, but it looks so nice. I like to hit it with a little bit of pepper for a quick, healthy salad anytime. A beet, apple, and carrot salad. You can't beat it.